Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Oh, hang on a minute, we've got some sound coming through. Just bear with me. There we go. Slight technical issue there. And that should be better. Apologise for that. We had a bit of, was doing a music concert earlier, recording some music, and that's why my audio was giving a bit of an effect there. But anyway, we're all good. Welcome, everybody. It's a live show. I'm live all day long. I haven't got time sometimes to check everything 10 times. Let's get straight into our show this afternoon. It's going to be an hour-long show. We've got some special Virgin Galactic videos coming out at the end of the show, just being put together now. It's fine now. Yes, it was pretty scary there for a moment, wasn't it? All right, let's bring in the information you need. Let's see who's here. We've got serious amounts of FOMO now kicking in with Virgin Galactic. The bull market has started. This is being regarded now. A lot of people who don't understand the stock are looking at it like a meme stock, taking it up to $100. It could go there now. Like I've said over and over again, it can trade there, not because it's worth it, but the amount of energy that's coming in to the stock right now, and the news that's about to come out on it. Now, I am messaging Virgin Galactic and everyone I know there at Virgin Galactic. This is what I want. On June 27th, the window opens. I want to be able to broadcast live the flights, which I will anyway, but I'm hoping to get some special content. So I'm working on that to bring you the best, most up-to-date, the most accurate, the most trustworthy information you could get on Virgin Galactic, what's going on and behind the scenes. Anyway, let's read some of the comments coming in. 1 week chart, cup and handle pattern showing. It's fine now, Salman says. Bullish, Tony Betts. How are you doing? I'm doing well. Afternoon all, says Malk. Bill is here 10 hours a day, up to 10 hours a day. I'm in the studio for 12, but I try to broadcast 10 hours a day. Good evening, Malk. Bry, I have done it. What have you done? What news do you anticipate? Martyn, 1988. Well, I think we're going to get, I know we're going to get the window open on the 27th. I expect to see Virgin Galactic fly on the 27th, all being well, and then announce the flights, and they'll be announcing the ticket holders after that. Could be some big celebrity names. We've had all kinds of names banded around, like Taylor Swift, Elon Musk. We've had, all kind, Justin Bieber. None of that has been confirmed yet, but there's a lot of stuff bouncing around that people are making up to promote the stock. But we're not doing that. We're only going to report the facts, because we're here to make money, not to pump and dump it. I'm still in, exactly the same, nothing's changed. I still see it going to $100, not because it's worth it, just because it can when the big names start flying. Like I said before, I do at the end of this show have some videos coming out you might be interested in, specifically on where and how they're going to make their money. Answer your questions on the bullish and bearish case, and some warnings as well. So that comes out at the end of this video. Just got to finish them off, but they're all done pretty much. Just need to let you know about them. So what you need to do is at the end of this video, about a half an hour later, they'll start coming out on the homepage of my YouTube channel, which is this here. If you look and you go up, you go to videos, you will see the if you check latest, they'll be posted here. These are the videos from last week, and they'll be posted here, and you can check them out, and you can communicate and be part of all that stuff when that comes out. All right. Hello, viewers. Like and share and comment. Mika Flemons. Thank you, Mika Flemons. Joel, good afternoon. I want to welcome our new countries that got added today. Virgin Galactic is very popular around the world, not just here in America. We now go out to Chile, USA, UK, Australia, Turkey, Italy, Ireland, Portugal, Uruguay, Canada, Uganda, Lebanon, Norway, South Africa, Argentina, Germany, Dominican Republic, Mexico, Denmark, Mauritius, Czech Republic, Lithuania, Romania, and Morocco. We have actual paid members in all of those countries now. Fantastic. And we go out in 14 different languages as well. We aim to be the most honest, most reliable source of information for all stock trades, not just Virgin Galactic. But everything. Flying Space, SRK, Chef, I have just tripled my portfolio in 1 day. Fantastic. The only celeb I want to see on it is Martyn Lucas. Well, They got to play my song, right? They got to play the Virgin Galactic song, and I don't know why not everybody has played that song yet. Because I will buy up to, no Korean. No Korean yet. No Korean yet. You have to be a member in that country, and then I will put. We have lots of people from Korea watch and Russia. There's a few other countries, China, but they've not yet become a member. And the first person who does will forever fly the flag for their country. So if you want to be a member, just become a member of the channel. It's very, very easy, and you'll be forever recognised as the person who flies the flag. I'm just trying to just grab the membership link there for a minute. How come I've lost it? We are running a special Twitter poll this afternoon of where you see Virgin Galactic going as well. If you want to take part in that, where the heck's that gone? It's like I've. I have. I've actually, for some reason, is there an undo on that? I don't know. There's an undo. No, I don't think there is. I think I've deleted the membership link anyway. You all know how to get there, right? You do, don't you? Okay. Anyway. For some reason, I've deleted it. I don't know how that's happened. Anyway, I'm also happy. I love Bitcoin. Bitcoin, be very, very careful, though. I still see Bitcoin going to 15,000, up 3.42. We said it would pop to 30, 31, 32, and then all the way down to 15. We still stand by that. Nothing's actually changed. So I want to just make sure that everyone still feels the same about that. Mike, hello there on Twitch. How are you? Next Friday, I should have my 15 in Robinhood. Yeah, Robinhood for me is a 10x. This is Robinhood right now, a 10x. Bears are now focused on flawed business plan on financials. Their view linear way and look at flights and queue costs only. I hope the company can prove the financial sustainability with other avenues. They will do in the earnings, I'm sure. Park J, no Korean. That's correct. Good evening, Martin. We look forward to it. Hello, peeps. Hi, Legio. And where are you from? There is no my flag. What country are you from? What country are you from? I've got to find the membership. How can I do that? How can I lose it? People are asking how to become a member, and you know what? I can't even see it. How can I not? It's because I'm a member of my own channel. I just can't see it. That's all I can say. Yeah, I don't know. Can one of my team send me? It sounds so silly. Can one of my team via Discord send me the membership link that I post out? Because oh well, here it is. Here it is. It's not hard. I found it. Don't worry, I found it. I've no idea. Montenegro. I've asked you before, but the link doesn't work. Montenegro doesn't have a membership in your country. I'm so sorry about that. Maybe it doesn't in your country. I don't know. Maybe you might need to use a VPN. I don't know. But here is the link. Try it again. It should work. I don't know why not. There is the link, and I'll happily make you our very first member if you could get that to work. Of course I will. Anyway, so let me come back to here. So it's very, very important. What we've got Robinhood is it worth a buy? Well, it depends on your position. I can't give you financial advice, of course. If you want to call in, I mean, we can discuss it more. And I'll open up the broadcast lounge. Now, anybody here can call in. If you want to ask a question, say hello to the world, talk to anybody here on the team, you can. The broadcast lounge is now open. If you want to call in, you can. Let me give you the Discord. It's free to access Discord. You do need to be a YouTube member, though, to get the broadcast lounge to call in. What's your POV? Point of view. On Robinhood, Robinhood is a 10x. I've got no doubt about it. I've got no doubt. It's one of my biggest positions. This is my Roth IRA. It's at 16.5% of my portfolio. I've got $2,654 in Robinhood. In my brokerage account, I've got another $1,500 in there, and that makes up 3.92. So you couldn't be much more bullish on Robinhood, could you? I think the market now is getting a real case of FOMO. The bull market is here. For those of you who have not followed me, I've been going live now for 2 years. I'm back for the closing, A Man from Earth. No, it doesn't work, unfortunately. I don't know why. If you do a VPN, Legio, and it may be your country is restricted from YouTube. I know. On what platforms do you work? What do you mean? What platforms? I've got, in this studio, I've actually got 14 different screens and 6 different computers. And if you look behind me, there's a lot more as well. Look behind me, there's cameras and stuff everywhere. So, yeah, there's quite a lot going on in here. But to what platform do you mean? A trading platform? I use Robinhood. Anyway, that's what I use. The overall portfolio is up today. Let's have a look at the overall thing. Let's see where we are. It's because it's very important to keep a very close eye on the overall markets as well. This is my overall portfolio. Remember, I only put $4 a week in. $4 a week. I know some of you will go, that can't be true. And I want to show you, because every single week I show you this. Look, here it is. Here's my account. Look, Robinhood, you have started a $4 amount. Look, all I put in is $4 a week. I'm just making sure I don't show my account on the screen. There you go. I put $4 a week. That's it. All I put in is $4 a week. Esteban Sky, you would be our first French member. And I know for a fact you can become a member in France. That's a fact. So there you go. If you become a member, I will fly the flag for France and also speak to you in French as well. And you get many, many perks being in a member. Okay. So I put $4 a week into my account. That is all. I started with $5,000 2 years ago. There's my main account. There's my Roth IRA, all from $4 a week, $5,000. That's it. And our all-time high is $60,000. We're just off an all-time high, and we're consistently up the day, the week, the month, the 3 month, the year to date, the 1 year, and all. Consistently making money. The only reason for this dip here is because of Virgin Orbit. And the same on the main account, up on the week, the month, the 3 month, the year to date. We are without a doubt now in a bull market. Now in December, I said 6.5, 7 months ago, that was the bottom of the market. I said it live on my show, and I said the bull market began. And a week ago, Bank of America said that we are now in a bull market. And I said at the time that it'll be 6 months, 2 quarters before the banks declare that we're in a bull market, because they can't see a forward, because they can't be too risky, because that's what banks do, right? Unless they borrow too much money and, take all our money. Other than that, they're not supposed to be too risky. So they can't make predictions. And I said that they will never project a bull market. What they'll do is they'll look back and say the bull market started 6 months ago, and then come out and be all clever and say the bull market started. Well, the bull market started 6 months ago. You're just now recognizing it. That's what's happened. Anyway, I'm trading on Forex, and I'm going to make it there. I have made thousands a few days ago. Congratulations. That's not for me. I don't really like that kind of trading, but good luck to you, Legio, and I wish you the very, very best indeed. Where's our French guest, Esteban? I'm going to just say hello to Esteban in French. Let's see if I can do it. Let's go over to our French translator. And I do all this live, by the way. There's no AI. It's me doing everything, right? So, is it Esteban? Okay. Welcome, Esteban, and all our guests from France. If you become a member, you'll be the very first person from France, and you will forever fly the flag for France. We are live up to 10 hours a day. Every day, we aim to be the most honest, reliable source of financial information. Welcome. All right, let's see if this works.
Bienvenue à Esteban et à tous nos invités de France si vous devenez membre. Vous serez la toute première personne de France et vous flotterez pour toujours le drapeau de la France. Nous vivons jusqu'à 10 heures par jour. Tous les jours nous visons à être les plus honnêtes et fiables sources d'informations financières. Bienvenue.
All right, Brian Ogle. Dang, this thing is struggling to get past $6. I can see it skyrocket if it does. Yes, I believe it's about to happen. It could happen in the next 5 minutes. Once it pushes through $6, it's going to 7 very quickly, if not 10. Like I said, I still believe it will go to $100, not because it's worth it, because it will trade there. And I want to be absolutely clear about that so everyone realizes this is not financial advice, but this is my real money. Everything I do here is real, live. Nothing's edited. It's all happening live. I believe it's $100 a share because, as I will explain later on in the videos, at the end of this stream, we've got I think 4 different videos coming out about Virgin Galactic in different areas. One, I'm answering the questions from you. What is the bearish case for this stock? And I'm also answering the question of why it could go to $100. Also, we're answering the question in detail of how they make money. It's not through the flights. I don't think that is the money maker at all. So anyway, all of that information will come out at the end of this video, and it will be here on the homepage. Go to the videos, go to latest, and they'll premiere this afternoon. And I will be in the live premieres. We're going to do a live Q&A with our team and our chart readers, our analyst people. So if you want to ask questions, you can. All right, you can answer questions in the live premieres. Okay, they'll be coming out in about an hour from now. Okay, dude, you are a machine. You are on YouTube and trading research and them. Like, yes, I'm trying to be the most honest, real channel on YouTube. I've challenged Mr. Beast. He's the biggest YouTuber in the world. I want to be the best, most honest, most live. I've made my commitment to it. But I'm an entertainer. This is my music channel. I'm the world piano man, and we have live music every day, live concerts every day, and every Friday, sorry, and so on and so forth. Anyway, okay, let's have a quick sip of Coke. Margin will still come for all. That's impossible. I got no margin at all. Inbound knows that. Signor Piletto Holt, I wish it'll... What do you wish? Mate, I agree. Space will hit $100 at some point. Possibilities are endless. There you go. That's Lewis Martin. Nearly said Lewis Hamilton again. I always do it. Tesla to 88 soon. All-time high. This is our Tesla position. Wow. Wow. Hasn't Tesla gone up today? Oh, my God. $1.5 about 56%. Bloody hell. There you go. I've held my position there. I think it'll stay away from space, and especially the ocean. I think I'll stay away. We actually have a video about that actually this afternoon coming out after the show about one of the Virgin Galactic travelers, ticket holders, is involved is underwater in that sub, and we report on that later on this afternoon as well. So you'll want to be part of that, just out of respect, right? Because it's very sad. I know Virgin Galactic investors would want to be interested in that. Anyway, let's go back to Virgin Galactic right now. So I've been communicating all day with all my sources and trying to get a date for the Virgin Galactic flight. I also want to cover it live here on the show. I want some extra content to share with you. So look out for that live flight information. I will share it with you when I get it. Did you hear Rivian is adopting the Tesla charger, and Lucid confirmation today they won't? Lucid, like I've said, there's no need for Lucid to do that because Lucid are going private. Lucid are going private. I've said it over and over and over and over till I'm bloody blue in the face. The only people who are not listening are fans of the stock rather than investors. Lucid is going private. Why? obviously, it's obvious why they lose $500,000 on a car sale. The CEO, Peter Rawlinson, pays himself a small fortune and is taking the company bankrupt. It will be taken private. It's all part of the plan for the Saudis. That is exactly what's happening. You have no place investing there whatsoever. I'm 100% certain of that. You do what you like, but that's what I think anyway. Space all-time high this summer. Yes, we touched the 65. I think it was $65 before. It'll go to $100. Yes. Do you think Tesla would ever partner with Virgin Galactic? I don't see why they would. I don't see any reason why they would partner at all. Completely different business. Dion Easton, I don't know why that would be. I can't think of a reason. Anyway, Lucid will have to go private to survive. Exactly. Lucid will go private. I've said since day one, Lucid will be private. I keep saying it, and I get a lot of abuse from it because, it's quite easy making money. I find it very easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. And the reason why it's easy to make money is we're not trading companies here. We're trading people's emotion. And I'm afraid most people are lazy, greedy, self-absorbed, and most people are all about trying to promote a stock to make themselves money. So that's their biggest downfall. And it's easy for me because I understand that. It's clear as day what is going on, and you just have to. You're just trading on people's greed. It's easy. It's easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. Anyway, so much more views to come from the Virgin Galactic team. M4TTD. Lots more. We haven't even started yet. Sorry, Mr. Martin. I meant to say SpaceX. SpaceX. No, I don't see that either. But thank you very much for clarifying that. I don't see that at all. Dion Easton at all. Not that they're in competition with each other. They're very, very different businesses. I don't see any connection there whatsoever. There's friendship between Sir Richard Branson, of course, and Elon Musk. Elon Musk might be flying. However, I don't see any business relationship there at all. I don't see any reason why they would. They don't need to. If Elon flies with SPCE, it will go even higher than $100. Well, I'm saying $100, not because it's a number I picked out of the air. It's what I believe looking at the numbers, even though the numbers of what the company earn, as I'll explain in the videos that are coming out this afternoon, it's not for that reason. It's because of the way the stock trades, the amount of interest with the shorters, with the memes, looking at other stocks, how they traded with a similar amount of attention, using all the graphs and the charts that I look at all the time. When I say charts, I don't spend my time studying charts. I've got a team that does that for me. What I'm talking about is the way people are communicating together online in their little Reddit armies, making up silly stories, making up false information. Other YouTubers trying to make themselves famous online by making up silly videos which are based upon no information at all. I've proved it over and over again. Take all that into account, and I can see it's going to $100. I'm not going to make up a number like 150 or 200, or like somebody will say Bitcoin's going to $1 million. This is just headlines for their YouTube channels. I won't do that. I will only make a statement on what I believe I am doing with my money, because I'm not doing it to make money. I am doing it to be tested upon being the most honest, reliable source on YouTube. I want everyone to go, Martyn Lucas's channel is the most real, live, most honest channel on YouTube. He'll answer any question, he'll answer it honestly. I'm not going to make up a number just so you watch my videos. I'm not doing that. I'm doing what I believe is to be right with my money, my hard-earned money. Anyway, Martin, something is going on behind the scenes. SpaceX and Tesla would partner soon. The price will shoot up. Well, they can't really partner. SpaceX is still a private company and Tesla is a publicly traded company. They can't just partner up. That's just not possible. They're completely separate companies. Now, SpaceX has been rumored to go private to go public in the future. That yet is only merely a rumor. And Starlink as well. I'm looking to buy shares of Starlink, but there's no evidence to suggest that these companies are going to partner up, and at all. No evidence at all. Anyway, any of you all got in VCIG today? Agent Shu had a birthday this morning. He's asked a question to the team. We've got a comment here in, I believe, Russian. We've got a Russian guest today. Let me translate that, if I may. And I will talk to you in Russian. Let me see what you said there for a moment. Martyn, I listened to your song. Thank you so much indeed. What he said there in Russian was, Martyn, I listen to your song. Okay, right, well, here it is.
Martyn, слушаю вашу песню.
Martyn, the first listen to your song.
You listened to my song. Which one was that? The Virgin Galactic song? Okay, thank you very much. Now, if you want, I am now asking for my song, the Virgin Galactic song, to be played on the rocket. I want to fly on the rocket, and I want my song played on the rocket as well. So we are on a mission now. Now this is not, I will tell you now, this is not for lazy people. This is not for lazy people, okay? This is Virgin Galactic song. I'm going to bring it up now. It ranks on Google and YouTube. If you type in Virgin Galactic song, I actually come up now above the signed artist by Virgin Galactic. And here we go. I'm going to actually give you this because I have said, not only will this promote the stock, but also I have said up to $1 million I will spend on Virgin Galactic shares, even at this point. Virgin Galactic song. Okay. And from the money I make from this song. Okay, so I'm going to give it to you now. Now, what I'm asking now, this is for the 30%, because 70% of people they get excited, but they don't retweet, they don't post. We get it all the time. So if you are one of the 30%, we are looking for everyone to, or 30% of you anyway. Virgin Galactic song. There's my song. Retweet that. Share that on your social media. Okay, and we want to really now launch Virgin Galactic around the world. Because we're getting 24 countries listen to us, we feel that we're in a position where the world is listening, and that song can take off now, and we can really get things moving. Okay, if you've not yet heard the song, here's just 15 seconds of it very briefly, and then we'll come back. Just very briefly. Is there anybody out there in space? Is there anybody out there in the dark? Is there anybody out there on a star to travel through space in my rocket ship, through the light and the dark and home? I remember. There you go. There's just a little clip of the Virgin Galactic song. If you share it, and what you do is under the video, when you go to it, if you share it on your social media, we want millions of people to see this, and up to $1 million, if I make from the video, I will spend on Virgin Galactic shares. There's the share button. Click the share button, put it on your social media, tell everybody this is the Virgin Galactic song. It ranks now above the official one by Khaled, who was signed by Virgin Records. It ranks above that now on Google, and we broke through $6. Here it goes. Psychologically now, FOMO is kicking in. It's going to go to $7 very, very quickly. We've got special videos coming out in half an hour for Virgin Galactic. This whole thing now is about to take a life of its own. Are you in with this stock? Are you in now? Let me read some of the comments. We've got Patty from Italy. Hi, Patty. How you doing? Hey, mate. We've got a new guest here. Where do you live in the UK? Cornwall. I used to live in Southampton, and I played at the Mayflower Theatre in Southampton with our show One Night in Vegas. Hi, everyone. There's Patty. One Invest. There we go from Russia. I used to live in Houston. I'm in Texas at the moment. Hope to see $6 on close. We're at 604. Our payday looks possible. Looks like we crossed the path a few times, probably. I'm sure we have. Fantastic. It sounds good. Very nice indeed. Thank you very much indeed. Dude, I love this song. I have listened to it when I made my money on Virgin. Fantastic. Well, share it around. Here we go. Past 6. Whoa. Here we go. All right, folks, pop. Hey all, I'm not selling my position at all. What's the platform you used to buy? Bree, what country are you in? Bree, what country are you in? Because depending on your answer will depend whether I can give you some free stocks and some free money. Okay, we love doing it. Okay, the ride has started. Buckle up. It's getting quite serious now, and the FOMO is really starting to kick in. 27% now, 603. No question about it. The overall portfolio is lighting up. If I share with you my position right now, let's have a look. We've got all the information about the price, where it's going, coming up at the end of this video. All right, more detail. This is just a general live show right now. There is my main portfolio. There is my crypto. There's my Roth IRA. And there's an all-time high. We're just $300 away from our all-time high of $60,000. Looking very, very good indeed. All from $5,000. But I will tell you I've lost over $30,000 on Virgin Galactic. But I stayed in. And when I say lost, just down. But I stayed in, kept on in. And now it's all coming good. Okay, let's have a quick look here. I think the stock likes when you play the song. New Zealand. We have nobody yet from New Zealand in our countries. We've got 24. Nobody in from New Zealand. I use Robinhood. I was hoping you'd say the US because I could have given you some free shares. I can't, I'm afraid. Now then, before we carry on with our broadcast, we've got some work to do. Because it's very, very important. Very, very important. We want the world to know about Virgin Galactic. No one is more honest, more live, more trusted than I am when it comes to the live stocks, Virgin Galactic. You see my real trades live 10 hours a day. And all we ask is free to watch. You'll notice 95% of my live viewers are members. That's because we have the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube. Mr. Beast is about 9% of his live viewers are members. 95% of my live viewers are members. We have 125 members now in 24 countries. And we have lots of special members events and members perks. But right now, though, what I want to do is ask you all, if you wouldn't mind, we've got 119 watching live. Let's get 100 likes live and... we'll think of something special to do if we can do that, right? Here's the 1 minute. 1 minute on the screen. Let's do it. Let's do it in 1 minute. We've never done it in 1 minute before. You ready? Okay, let's go. I will show you. There are 122 watching live. We've got the Virgin Galactic special videos coming out at the end of this live stream. Let's get to 100. You ready? In just 30 seconds. Right, 50, 51. Come on, guys. You can do it. Come on, let's do it. 52, 53. Everyone smash the like button if you want Virgin Galactic to go up. 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Come on, 20 seconds to go. If you're short in the stock now, you are absolutely bonkers. 67, 68, 13 seconds to go. Can we do it? Can we get to 100 in 1 minute? It's never been done before. 68. Few seconds to go. 68, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We didn't quite do it in 1 minute. 71, but it's pretty close. I'll give you a round of applause though. 74, I like it. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you very much indeed. 78. Maybe we'll get there to 100. Oh, 82. Absolutely incredible stuff. Right, I love it. We've got all the Lucas Aids here today. Brilliant. Look at that for growth. Brilliant. Right, the overall portfolio. Let's get a feel for what is going on with the markets right now. Now then, 43. The S&P, this is incredible, folks, because the S&P is down 0.5% today, and Virgin Galactic has resisted. Remember, I always said Virgin Galactic will echo and amplify what the markets are doing. So if it's down, Virgin Galactic will be more down. If it's up, it'll be more up. And the caveat to that was, unless there is fundamental change. Thank you, Sung Lee, for your subscription. Unless there is fundamental change. And now there is fundamental change. The volume of Virgin Galactic. Let's have a look at it. Let's see the volume for Virgin Galactic. We are now looking at an average volume of 27 million. We are at 102 million shares traded today. Trades today. This is incredible stuff. This really is quite incredible. It could easily hit $7 in the next few minutes before the bell goes. If not, in the after hours, very quickly thereafter. And if you watch the video this afternoon, you will see exactly why I think it's going to $100. Now, you've got a lot of information here about Virgin Galactic. There's one particular video I want to draw your attention to. This one here, where there's evidence that it could go 50x. 50x. Now, this is not my belief. I can't think in numbers like that because it's unquotable. I'm looking at numbers, people's reactions. I can't measure 50x. I can't, right? I cannot, see that. However, you might like to take a look at that video and see why others think that is likely. So anyway, we shall see. We shall see. I think the stocks likes when you play the music. Let's go to new highs. New high of the day. Hi, Martin. You didn't answer my question on support level and next breakthrough. I didn't see your question. I have to focus on the members. I'm afraid when we're very busy like this, I have to focus on the members. I answer everyone's questions, but when it gets busy like this, I still try to read everyone's questions. But on a chart question, I refer you to 100x times 2. Look, I don't know. Right, so I want to refer that back to Ali Tisro and Ed Nevius, who do my charts for me. I will get them, and they might be in the chat for you right now. Let me have a look. The broadcast lounge is open. If Sensei Crypto or Ed Nevius wants to call in on a chart position, it's not for one of our members, but I'd like to be able to help if I can. I don't think Nirmal Palmer is a member. Let me just double check. I don't want to overlook anybody. It's obviously difficult. I try to read every single question. If I don't answer your question, no, you're not a member. Okay. If I do miss your question, write it again and I'll try to get to you. Bill, how are you, Bill? Let's go, says Lewis. Let's back to Virgin Galactic. It's still rising. We're at 603 now. What's up, Crag? Futties, will the song release on Spotify? The song... At the moment, the original version is on Spotify, Amazon, iTunes. It's actually a record that's out. I rewrote it with the words of Virgin Galactic. Yes, I will release it once we get to like 100,000 plays on YouTube. Then I will release it as a record. Yes, it will be available. Right now, it's on YouTube because we're trying to focus on promoting the story in a searchable way with YouTube so I can reinvest the money in buying shares. Anyway, Martin, where is my Swedish flag? Ties 87. So, Francesca, I've been looking for you. I've been calling out to you for days. Where are you? I'm trying to find you in the chat. Come back to me. Francesco Santos. Okay. You are not a YouTube member. and you asked me to be a friend on Facebook, on Discord, and I couldn't accept because I kept asking for you to appear in the show, and you never came back. But anyway, you are now here. So if you become a member, I will put your flag on the screen for you live right now. 6:03, we're holding. We've got 20 minutes to go. So Francesco Santos, where is my Swedish flag? If you become a member, I can accept your friendship on Discord. I can upgrade you as a member and give you all the perks and fly your flag, of course. All right? Happily do that. When is your 100 price target timeline, roughly speaking? In the next month or two. In the next month or two, once we're regularly flying, once those celebrities are seen to be flying, that's what I believe to happen. Good afternoon all. Hello Brie and welcome from Italy. Hi Ale, Space is, how are you my friend? Glad to have you here. We have 115 watching. Smash the likes, yes. Francesco, I will fly your flag if you become a member. Let me get through all these comments 100 times 2. Hi Queen, nice to see you, glad to see you. Hello Shifler Stephen, welcome to you. Peter Tosh, give us some Michael Jackson as a celebration. Give the people what they want. If we've got 100 likes, I'll do a Michael Jackson. Have we got 100 likes? Have we got 100 likes yet? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Have we got 100 likes? Have we got 100 likes? Let me have a quick look. No, we've got 98 likes. 98 likes. If we get 100, Peter Tosh has requested that we do a Michael Jackson impression. All right, 98 likes. So smash the like button, take me over 100, and you will get a Michael Jackson impression. All right, okay, fair enough. We'll do it. Hi, my flag from Sweden. You need to be a member. I keep telling you. I think perhaps I need to speak to you in Swedish, so I will do that for you now. Let me do that for you now. Let me try to speak to you in Swedish. Okay, here we go. What's your name? Your name is, I'm trying to, Francesco. Okay, let's try this. Hi, Francesco. That didn't work. Do that again. Hi, Francesco. Welcome to you and all our guests from around the world, and especially in Sweden today. Become a member of our channel and I will fly the flag for you, and it will forever be your flag. We go live up to 10 hours a day. We aim to be the most honest, trusted channel on YouTube. The link is in the chat. Okay, Francesco, I think I've spelt that correctly for you. Yes, I have. Okay, here we go in Swedish for you.
Hej Francesco, välkommen till dig och alla våra gäster från hela världen och speciellt i Sverige idag blir medlem i vår kanal, och jag kommer att flagga för dig och det kommer för alltid att vara din. Flaggar vi går live upp till 10 timmar om dagen. Vi siktar för att vara den mest ärliga, bettrodda kanalen på YouTube. Finns länken i chatten.
Okay, here is the membership. Now then, I did explain, and I've got a video coming out about this very point that Pete Barker is going to make. I want to explain this. It's very, very important, okay? FOMO is kicking in. I'm already in. I'm not buying it now. I'm already in. I want to be absolutely clear. Thank you, Poya Bastani, about this dilution. There's a video coming out about it later on this afternoon. The way the chart is going is extremely healthy. We don't want straight up. Straight up is pump and dump. Like DWAC, like GameStop. We don't want that. We want it going up. We want profit taking. We want it to get us some support and go up again. And that's what it's doing. Now, dilution. Dilution is now a good thing. Dilution is good. And let me explain what I mean. Okay? The company need to raise funds. They've said they won't do it through dilution on the share price, but they will, because that's what CEOs do. More than likely, and at least you need to prepare for that if that does happen, okay? I have said consistently that we will get dilution at $7. It will then dilute back to $5. Before, it could have gone to $4, $3, or even $1.50. However, we've now got regular flights happening monthly, confirmed. Okay? So that now changes the whole narrative and outlook for Virgin Galactic. So, if we get dilution, it's not because the company are raising funds to give themselves pay rises. They're raising funds to now ramp up and build more rocket ships to make more profits for its shareholders. That's good. That's good. You need that. Okay, that's why any company goes public to raise funds. They then might need to issue more shares to raise more money to build more rocket ships. That is fine. And now we've got over all the hurdles and we've sold the tickets. We're flying regularly. Now it makes sense. So if it gets to $7, Pete Barker is absolutely right. If you're buying in now, it could drop. However, if it goes to 7 and then back to 5, it doesn't matter because it's ultimately going to 100. So the choice is yours. What I would be doing if I wasn't in, but I'm obviously already in. I've been watching it for 2 years. If I wasn't in right now and I had responsibly allocated $1,000 to Virgin Galactic because it's still high risk. It's a rocket ship. It can blow up, right? It's not Tesla. It's not the S&P 500, which actually making money regularly. If I had $1,000 right now, and that was my allocation, that was a 5 to 10% of my portfolio, which I regarded as a safe allocation. Okay, I would spend half of it now, and then the other half if it dropped back. If it continues going up and we don't get dilution, I can then wait for a bit of a pullback because there will always be profit taking. Nothing's going to go straight up. No stock just goes straight up. Even if it goes 7, 8, 9, 10, I don't mind. If it goes to $50 and then back to 20, I don't mind buying at 20. If we're now flying every single day and we're making $1 million every 5 minutes, I don't mind paying $20 for a stock because I'm not looking to buy cheap rubbish. I'm looking to buy quality. And if we've got a business that is flying every day and making profits every day, I can buy it at $20 knowing it's going to 50, no problem at all. It's not about the price. It's about the ups potential percentage-wise. So I don't mind. So if I'm not in right now and I've got $1,000 right now, I'm spending $500 in case it pulls back. I've not got FOMO. I don't want to be just jumping in case it goes to 7, 8, 9. I'm not thinking like that. I'm putting half of my money in if I'm not in. I'm already in, so I don't need to do this, right? And then if it pulls back, after dilution, if we get dilution, it's not guaranteed, I buy the other half. If it goes up and we get past dilution and we get to the earnings call and they say there's no issue and we don't, we're making money, we don't need to dilute the stock. In fact, we're buying back the stock, which is the opposite. Then I can add my further $500. Does that make sense? Anyway, I've got more information explaining the true value of the stock coming out later this afternoon after the main show. We will have that. So that's my thought process on that, and that is in response there to Pete Barker, who was just bringing that point up. Aaron Anthony, I had a request for you on Facebook, I believe. Aaron Anthony, I want to. Is this you? On Facebook. I want to get closer to my members and so on. So I have about 15 or so, a handful of places left on Facebook. I can only have 5,000 friends. And I'm trying to, there's my friend request on Facebook because people want to engage with me. And this is my personal page. Is this you? You requested a Facebook friend request. Mohammed Kaif. If that's you, if you are in YouTube now, let me know. Sorry, not that one. Oops, a daisy. Aaron Anthony, beg your pardon. Aaron, is that you on Facebook? Is that you, Aaron Antonin? That sounds obvious, but I want to make sure. I get hundreds, if not thousands, of scammers a day. Yes, it is me. Okay, I'll confirm. We are now friends on Facebook. There we go. Fantastic. Now, once the 5,000 friends are gone, if you want to follow me, you can have infinite amount of followers, but I can only have 5,000 friends, and I think I've just got a handful away. Anyway, if you are friend requesting me, just confirm in YouTube it's you. And like these two people here, you see, they tried to scam me earlier. These are just made up people, trying to, whatever. We're not doing any of that stuff. All right, we don't do any of that. Okay. So welcome to you, Aaron. Thank you so much indeed. Dennis the Menace. What about on vinyl? That'd be so cool. Yeah, that'd be great, Dennis the Menace, wouldn't it? Pete, let's enjoy the moment a wee bit longer. Hi, my flag, Sweden. I've just explained it, Francesco. Absolutely, you're welcome. 100 are awesome. Right, we got through 100. Good evening, everyone. This is Zach, our friend here from Uganda. We do our fundraisers for Zach. Let me come back. Did we get 100? We did. Okay, we got 100. So we got 111 now. And I said to you, if we go past 100, I would do... Someone asked, could you do Michael... Who was it who asked for Michael Jackson? Let me turn my echo on. All right. All right. Here comes my... Michael Jackson then, all right? Okay, here we go. Let me just get to the bottom of the list. Hi, Martin, how do you become a member? Here is the membership. There it is, there's the member. Okay, here's my Michael Jackson. Another day is gone. I'm still all alone, though you're far away, 'cause I am here to stay. You never said goodbye, and someone tell me why. There you go, that'll do. And thank you very much indeed. I could do Pavarotti, Andre Bocelli, Paul McCartney, Brian Adams, Michael Bolton's one of my best ones, Louis Armstrong. I can do many. If you want to do a super chat, I'll do one for you. Anyway, Hola Martin, salutes from Mexico. Welcome to you from Mexico. Hello, Craig. How are you doing, mate? Hello from Russia. We all believe in Virgin success here. GSE, welcome to you. Let me welcome our guests from Russia today. We've got 5 minutes to go. Let me do this. Welcome GSE and all our friends in Russia. We do not have a member from Russia yet. If you become a member, you will be the first person to fly the flag for your country, and forever it will be yours. Welcome to the family. Okay. This is going out in Russian. We go out in 14 languages, and we have 24 countries represented. Here we go.
Приветствуем GSE и всех наших друзей в России. У нас пока нет члена из России. Если вы станете членом, вы будете первым, кто поднимет флаг вашей страны. И он навсегда останется вашим добро пожаловать в семью.
Okay, just going for all our comments. Thank you, Stephen from Florida. Martin, are you going to trim and buy it back on a drop when the first flight's over? I've got no intention of trimming off at these levels yet, and if I change my mind, I will let you know. Not in my realm right now. Yes, it's me. We did that. Omar, where do you see space reaching by the end of the year? It can go for $100. Oh, Germany. Do we have a German? Yeah. Ich kann nicht sprechen die Deutsch sehr gut. Welcome to Germany. Let me do that now. Germany. Let me do Germany. Germany. What is your name? Omar. Is it Omar? There we go. Welcome, Omar. Let me do German right now. I can speak a little bit, but Germany. Oh, that's incorrect. I can't do that. That's wrong. Okay, got to do that different. Welcome, Omar, and all our guests from Germany. Welcome to our show. We are live up to 10 hours a day. welcome to the family. Okay, let's send that out in German today. Okay, lovely stuff.
Willkommen Oma und alle unsere Gäste aus Deutschland. Willkommen zu unserer Show. Wir sind bis zu 10 Stunden am Tag live. Willkommen in der Familie.
Friend requests. See all friend requests. Schifferler Stephen. Is that you, sir? If it is, we've got a handful of places left now. I'd love to engage with all my members here. Schifferler Stevens, is that you? Just confirm that's you, and I will friend you here on Facebook. 162 watching. It's amazing. Short, still playing. 2 devices. Thank you, Stephen. A little bit of Jacko. There you go. I couldn't add you. What do you mean you couldn't add me? What do you mean by that? Yes, love Louis Armstrong. Do it. Tony, if I do Louis Armstrong, will you give me a super chat? All right, Schifferler Stephen, that is you. Okay, we're friends. Lovely, lovely. I'm trying to become friends with all of my friends and my members here. Okay, let me just give everyone the link. If you can't follow me, if you can't become a friend, just you can follow me. There we go. Right, yes, Louis Armstrong. That was amazing, Martin. Thank you. Hi from Russia. Virgin Galactic, $5.99. We've got 2 minutes to go before we ring the bell. Yes, sir. Thanks for the mic, buddy. Love that. Vielen Dank. Dankeschön. Great Michael Jackson, just like last time. Yes, that's me. We're praying for all the stuff, those suffering under Putin's regime. Of course we are. We can't wait to welcome our Russian friends in. Right now they're restricted from doing anything. Tesla to the moon. Jammon. Hey Martin, Tosh, you mystic man. We're on your way to space. Good travels to all. Pushing up more when the actual first flight date comes out. You are welcome, Schifferlers Stevens. Okay, we're down to the last minute then. This is especially for... Who was it who asked for Louis Armstrong? All right.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I say to myself... What a wonderful world. Yeah, I say to myself, what a wonderful world.
All right, there you go. There you go. Louis Armstrong. Right, thank you very much indeed. Right, we're down to the last minute now. But this is sponsored by Sensei Crypto, our bell today. And we'll discuss our sponsor right on the bell. Here we go. 1 minute to go. Let's bring it down. Let's bring it down. Here we go. 1 minute to go. Let's see what happens in the after hours. 6:03. It's still going up. Fantastic. And all this on the day that the... yeah, brilliant, Martin. You're very welcome. You are funny, Martin. Well, I don't know. I'll try my best. Facebook. Francesco, have I got any more Facebook friend requests? It looks like I have. See all. No, I don't have any more Facebook friend requests. Okay, let me ring the bell. Okay, in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The bell's now gone. All right. The bell has now gone and we are in the after hours with Virgin Galactic. Let's get straight into the positions and see where it's going. It's drop 0.17, still up 6.01. Let's have a quick look. Let's see where it goes in the after hours. Well done. You're very, very welcome. You are funny, says Joel. All right then. Now then. We've got a couple of things to do before we end the show. We do have some big premieres coming out. For those of you that missed today's world premiere, this was Sound of Silence. The Sound of Silence was our world premiere today. Here it is. This is our Sound of Silence. And for those of you that missed it, there it is. There's the sound of silence. And let me just unpin this. Let me unpin the shop for a minute. And this was today's world premiere. If you've not yet checked it out, pinned to the top, go and check out my Sounds of Silence today if you're interested. Okay. Right then. Virgin Galactic, $6. It's not dropping off. That's good. We like it. Now then, we are planning a special Virgin Galactic concert, Rocket Man music, celebrating on Friday. This Friday. Let me run a poll now and see who would like a Virgin Galactic concert to raise awareness for Virgin Galactic on Friday. You all need to join us if you say yes for a live music concert on my music channel, Virgin Galactic concert on Friday. And if you say yes, please join us. I'll arrange the event later on today and you'll see it be posted. Virgin Galactic concert on Friday. Would you be able to attend? It will be at this time now, in the closing bell. All right, after the closing bell, right now, on Friday. Can you attend and do you want to come to the Virgin Galactic concert on Friday? We'll do Rocket Man, Starman, and we want to do it as an awareness and a promotion for Virgin Galactic. There it is. Ask the community, yes or no. Can you attend on Friday for a Virgin Galactic concert? Any clues why Virgin Galactic is skyrocketing? Yes, loads of good news. I've posted it on my channel here on the channel, here under the video section, what's going on. And there's more videos coming out in about 35, 40 minutes, an hour from now about everything that's happening with Virgin Galactic, where I see the stock going, the concerns, the fears, the price, the whole thing. Answering your questions. It's coming out in about an hour from now. Okay? So look out for that. Now then. Let me go to the in-broadcast. If you want to call in and be live on the show, you can call in just like these people here. Discord is now open. You can call in.
Follow Martyn's The Day Trader. You got to be in it to win it.
Okay? You can call in like Bubble.
Welcome to the Day Trader, Martyn Lucas Channel. It's the most fun you can have doing daily trading, making money and having a laugh with a wonderful family. If you're not there, you're missing out. Join the Day Trader channel on YouTube. See you there.
It'll be 1 hour from now on Friday, the normal time. Music night is Friday night, the normal time. Now, this is healthy. We don't want to see a straight line. We want to see some people taking profits. Thank you from Brazil. We do not have a member yet from Brazil. Do you want to be the first person to be a member from Brazil? Let me give you the invitation. Let's see if we get a member from Brazil. Then you will be the person that owns the flag forever. There is the invitation if you want to fly the flag for Brazil. Okay. Now then. For those of you that are interested in helping us grow here and helping us talk about Virgin Galactic, we have got a very special event, right? In 6 days' time, it's our second anniversary. We've been live up to 10 hours a day, every trading day for 2 years. Never missed, always here. And we only took off October for our annual break. Other than that, we're here all the time. And we're trying to get to 1 million views by the birthday. Now, we are just behind the target. We need 10,000 views every 48 hours for the last 6 days. We're just a few days behind, okay? We need 10,000 views every 48 hours. Look, we're up to 8,000. We're 2,000 short today. Now, we can get there in 1 hour, and this is how we can do it. Here is the shorts playlist. It's 1,000 15-second videos. There it is. At the end of the show, do it. if you want to help us get there, that is, because on the birthday in 6 days' time, if we've got there, it's going to be a members-only event, and I'm going to be drinking myself under the table, celebrating, getting drunk, having a laugh, trying to trade on Virgin Galactic while drinking. Should be very, very entertaining. This is the playlist. This is what it looks like. Just let it run. You can mute it. You don't have to watch it. Let it run, and let's see if we can get 1,000. Let's see if we can get 1 million views by it within 6 days. We are about a week now behind schedule. That's why we now need 10,000 views per 48 hours, which is 5,000 a day, to get there. So we could get there today if everyone does it. I like the fact that Virgin Galactic is sitting at $6. I've got no problem with that at all. I think it's good. I like it. Let me read the comments. Wow. 97% of you are 30 votes. 97% of you. It's going to be our best ever live concert. Virgin Galactic. I'm going to have people could call in, make requests. Virgin Galactic song. We'll have Rocket Man. We'll have Starman. We'll have a lot of time. We'll have a lot of fun on Friday. Look at that. 31 votes. 97% are gonna make it. Fantastic. Let me read these comments. Why do you think Virgin Orbit jumped towards the end of the day? Virgin Orbit. This is, I need to explain, so many people do not understand what's going on here. This company is delisted. Responsible brokerages like Robinhood and many, many more won't even allow you to buy the stock. It's just shutting down business. It's just, it takes a period of time. It means absolutely nothing. You can't trade this. It can go up 1,000%. You know, from 4 cents to bloody 8 cents, 10 cents. It doesn't mean anything. You can't trade, you can't buy it or do anything. Forget Virgin Orbit. I just show you it to demonstrate what being delisted is about. Nothing is going on with this stock. It doesn't mean anything at all. It's just going through the processes of being delisted, okay? Don't get excited about it at all. Anyway. Yeah, Mon, Peter Tosh, I missed what he was saying. Happy for all of us who stayed on the path to success with Virgin Galactic. Sometimes it was painful and frightening. Yes, it was. Hi, Mart. Coming back in regards to Bitcoin, just wanted to reiterate the 25,500 level was the local bottom on it. We will be heading much higher from here. We believe, and we've said the same thing consistently, unlike YouTubers who just want you to watch their videos, we have said consistently it can hit as high as 32 and then we'll return to 15,000. We still believe that. It's why I'm not buying it. It's why I own it at 15,000 and why I'll buy more at 15 and below. I do not see it keeping running up from here. The only people that are saying that are people who are trying to promote their own ends. I want to tell you the truth of what I actually believe. Even if it's against me on the money, I don't care. That's what I think. So that's what I'm going to do, and that's where I'm staying with it. I do not see it running up from here, up to 60, 100,000, whatever. Now, if it does, great. I'm already in it, but I'm not buying any more. I'm holding my money for it to hit 15 or below. That's what I think. Okay? Crag says margin. Space has 111 million volume today. That's correct. Eric B, give me a call after the show. I was trying to call you earlier if you're free. Ale, Eric, Paddy, trading 2-on-2 allows you to buy and sell VO. Well, very irresponsible then. Very irresponsible. I think that's ridiculous. Many decent brokerages. I don't like trading 2-on-2, as you know. I don't like eToro either. That's scammy as well. I don't like it. So Robinhood have stopped you from doing that, and I think that's the right thing to do because it will encourage gamblers. It's 2-on-2 just trying to make money out of your trades. I don't like it. Allowing people to buy a stock that's being delisted is very, very irresponsible. However, 2-on-2 just wants to make money, and I wouldn't touch it with a barge pole. But that's up to you. You are welcome to do whatever you want to do, obviously. If your favorite stocks ticker gains a Q, it is over. Exactly. It is over. Vorb Q. It is over. Okay? It's being delisted. It's I don't know what else to say. You can't buy the stock. Anyway, anyone allowing you to do so is in it for their own ends, and that's irresponsible. Virgin Orbit is view only on trading 212. Okay, so there you go. So I didn't think so. Mike, you can't buy and sell it. It's view only. Anyone allows that is extremely irresponsible, and it's ridiculous. But anyway. Hi, Martin. Hey, Marty the Smarty. Crystal ball time. What do you think space will do in the after hours? I could not sell even though I was up 20% tonight. I'm so divided in my opinion. I am so confused. Deweld Voslu. I don't understand how you can be confused. Wow! I've never seen this. Quick, look at this. Someone take a photograph of this. 123 watching, and 123. 100% engagement rate. I've never seen that. I want to share that. Okay, here we go. Breaking news on Martyn Lucas Investor. I've never seen this from any channel before. I'm proud of this. Look at this. 123 watching. It was 1 second ago. And 123 likes. That is 100% engagement rate. Very, very rare. I was thrilled to bits with that. Anyway, it's gone now. Doesn't matter. Look at that. There's 126 watching, 125 likes, 126. That's 100% engagement. You can't get better than that. That's brilliant. Anyway, thank you very much indeed, everybody. 121 likes. Wow, it's amazing, right? Eric B, good guy. Agreed on trading 212. I'm slowly starting to move my funds to a new broker. Yes, I strongly recommend, not because I'm paid by them. No one pays me, and no one sponsors me to talk about Robinhood. I just believe in Robinhood. It's what I trade on. It's what I invest in. I don't think you can get better, honestly, than Robinhood. And I'm going to give you now my thing here. Anyone who's in America now, if you set this up with me, we both get free stocks live in the show together. And I will share with you what I've got. So look, you get between $5 and $200. Let me invite you. I don't need share the link. Copy the link. Put it in the chat. This is my referral for Robinhood. If you use this, set it up, you'll get free stocks between $5 and $200 live on the show. I will then support you with it. I will tell you how it works. I will also get some shares, and I will share with you what I get as well. There you go. There is the link. All right. Rob, Virgin Galactic is trying to go back up again in the after hours. Looking very nice indeed. Whoop-de-whoop. 100% Martyn Lucas, let's go. It's pretty amazing, right? Okay, so what we'll do, I will set up a concert, a Virgin Galactic concert on Friday. And you can call in, you can make requests, and we're going to promote Virgin Galactic. Now, I will post it tonight. When you see it posted tonight on my music channel, I will post it on my Twitter. If you're not a follower of mine on Twitter yet, let me give everyone now this. Let's see if we can get to 900 followers right now on Twitter. I've been doing my Twitter account for a few months now, so it's pretty new. Brandon, it comes to the UK later on this year, and I will make sure that you get it first, okay? Let's see if we can get from 825 followers on Twitter. Let's see if we can get up to 900. No, that's a bit too much. 850. Let's see if we can get to 850 right now. I'll give everybody my account. There we go. Now, what we'll do, we'll post the Virgin Galactic concert on Twitter so you can all promote it and all promote Virgin Galactic. We want the whole world to know about Virgin Galactic, okay? Okay? So I will post it here, and everyone tweet it, everyone follow me, and so on and so forth, all right? So, yes, it's coming to the UK this year, and I will share with you the link. Poya Bastani, Brandon Muller. Any broker suggested for the UK? No. I've not that I like. I've got eToro. It's rubbish. Other ones I just don't like. No. Weeble. I don't think that's good. It's good for the charts, but I don't need a brokerage for the chart. Anyway, let's see if we can get 50 likes here, 50 followers on Twitter, and then I will post it on here, and then we'll make sure that Richard Branson and all the team are aware of our Virgin Galactic concert, and we will push it out to the world. All right, there's my link in the chat. Let me give it to everybody. That's for Twitter. Let's refresh it. Has it gone up? 825. Let's see if we can get some more. 825. No? Has everybody already followed me? Maybe. I don't know. That would be exciting, wouldn't it, if we can get up to 1,000 followers. Anyway, I've got to go because I've got to do these premieres have got to come out, and I want my team in the live Q&A afterwards answering your live questions. We want a crystal ball moment. I've had no super chats. Rubbish. No super chats. No new members. Why should I do it? Why should I do it? I'm not doing it. Go on then. You're rubbish. You're rubbish today. No super chats. Nothing going on. Right. Let's see. I tell you what. You don't have to give me a super chat if we can get to 1 million views. What are we now? No, only 3 people are playing. Only 3 people are playing the short playlist. 130 people watching, and 2 and 3 people playing the playlist. Why should I bother? No super chat. No one's watching the playlist. No one's trying to help me get to 1 million views. No one's watching the Virgin Galactic song. Why should I bother? I don't know why I bother. No one's followed me on Twitter. I don't know. I'm not going to bother.
Eric donated $19.96. Go Virgin Galactic. Go Martyn Lucas Television.
Yay!
19.40000000 Doge.
Now, in case anyone's thinking, flipping it, that's a really big tip, and it is a really big tip. But what actually it is Eric B bought my drone today, and I posted it to him, and it costed about $20. So he's given me the money for that. That's what it is. But it's a good timing though, because it looks really good. Thank you ever so much, Eric B. I appreciate it, and that's very, very kind of you. The reason why I was going to call you, Eric, was I've never checked how much Doge you sent me. I have no idea. And all I was going to say to you was, I don't know if I owe you any money back or whatever. I've no idea whether you paid me more, less for the drone. I don't know. I didn't even look. That's basically what I was going to let you know. So anyway, because you said I would pay you for mailing it out, and I don't know. I don't know if you paid me for it already. I've no idea. So anyway, thank you so much indeed for that tip. I'll just leave that with you. I don't know whether it was covered or not. Anyway. Bam, bam, bam. Let's have a look. I had a Twitter account stolen. I set up 2-factor authentication. I do that on absolutely everything. Very, very important. Yes, indeed. Hey, Poya just followed me. Poya, I will follow you back then. Sorry, not follow you back. I beg your pardon. What I will do is engage with you on everything. There you go. Poya. Here's Poya and Francesco. So, guys, what I want to do is I want to help you grow on Twitter as well. So, Poya and Francesco, thanks for following me. If you comment to any of my posts, I will tag you in my viral post, and I will reply back to everybody. I reply back to everybody. So, if you comment on anything that we've done today, or the Virgin Galactic post we're going to post later, I will comment back to you. So always engage with me, and I always engage back. It's my full-time job. I spend about 2 hours a day answering comments, and I will do that to make sure that you are, that I promote your Twitter. Okay? Thank you, guys. Etoro is like a swimming pool full of sharks. I ate it. I had a Twitter account. That's right. Send the playlist and I'll watch it. Footies wants to help out. Here you go then. Here is the shorts playlist. We're trying to get to 1 million views in 6 days' time. There you go. We got another member. You should become a member then if you're one of the Lucasades helping out like that. There is the shorts playlist. This is what it looks like if you click on it. This is what it looks like. It's a playlist with 1,000 15-second videos. You can mute it. Just let it run through, and there you go. Thanks, Polito. You're welcome. We are good, Martin. We're all good. Fantastic. Fantastic. Please make sure someone tag Mr. Brandt in the live concert for Friday. It would be cool if he makes a guest appearance. Absolutely. Dion, are you following me on Twitter then? Are you following me on Twitter? Are you going to take part? Are you going to take part in sharing it then? Virgin Galactic's holding up. I've got to go. I can't stay much longer because I've got to be in these live premieres when they go live. Sure. Brilliant. Okie dokie. And we're all good. Okay. I think we are good. So then, I'm going to end the show right now, and we've got the premieres coming out about the stock, the trade, the prices, the fears, the questions. They'll be coming out. You will see those go live on my channel in the next 45 minutes to an hour. I just need to finish this stream, okay? They'll be here on the latest videos. Now, you will not be made aware of the breaking news when Virgin Galactic flies unless you've done this. Let me share with you how, so you don't miss anything. Not everyone does this, okay? Most of you don't. Let me share with you right now. When you subscribe to me, you can go and check now by unsubscribing and subscribing again. Look at the subscribe button. Have you turned the bell to all? If you've not set it to all and turned on notifications on your device, in your notifications, you'll not be made aware of when I go live, or when we have the breaking news and the breaking news videos, okay? Now, some of you have complained and said to me, I've done that, and on Saturday or Sunday, I get 20 notifications all at once. It happens every Sunday, because every Sunday I post for the week, schedule all the shows out. So we've got opening, closing on Monday, opening, closing on Tuesday. So every Sunday, you'll get this barrage of notifications. That's fine. Just delete them. Doesn't matter. But if you turn it off, you won't be notified about the breaking news. It's because I set up all the shows in one time for the following week on Sunday. If I did it day at a time, it wouldn't be as efficient. So I do it all in one go, so you're not getting posted every 5 minutes. It just happens on Sunday. Boom, 20 events, 5 shows, 5 days, 2 shows a day. That's so you get 10 notifications for all the opening and closings on the week. But that's all that. That's the only downside to it. But that's not that bad, is it? Anyway, I will make a Twitter account. Dion Easton, how cool is that? All right, become a member, get 19% back. You get 20 times back. Don't listen to him. He talks rubbish. 500 for 365. Very nice indeed. Okay, let's go back to Virgin Galactic. It's 595 now, holding up. Very nice. Okay. We've got to do a competition now. Day Trader of the Day. We're going to do that. Now then, who wants to win some money? We give away cash prizes. We've got a big cash prize coming up in a week or so. I can't tell you about it yet, but it's coming up in about a week. If you want to win free tickets to be in our cash prize draw, we've got another cash prize draw. We do it all the time. You can, for free. It's free to enter, free for all, no purchase necessary. We do it on our competition page on our website, martynlucas.com/giveaway. We are giving away some free tickets and information on our giveaway in our newsletter. Here is the sign-up page. It's on my website now. If you've already signed up for the newsletter, you might want to do it again because we've got a new system. We've given up on Ionis. It was unreliable. We are now going to MailChimp. It's a brand new service, started literally today. And if you've already signed up for the newsletter, you might want to do it again because now you only need to supply your email. However, we've now given you the option to add your name and your birthday. And the reason for that is on your birthday, I will send you a birthday card with a bit of a surprise. So if you want to receive a birthday surprise on your birthday, then add your name and your birthday, but you don't have to. So if you've signed up for it before, I don't have your birthday. I can't do it. So if you want to do that now, then you can, and I can, and you can now have your birthday recognized as well. All right, martynlucas.com, and here is the link to that if you want to go and do that. Okay. All right. Free to enter, free for all, and this will be our giveaway. All right, this is where we do our giveaways. We gave away $150, and we ended up giving it to charity last week. It was absolutely brilliant. There you go. There's our winning entry. We just had a super chat come in. What's this? Let's have a look at this. What's happened here? Something pretty special has just happened.
Marty, thank you for all your homework. Sometimes we ride along with you without doing our own homework and we make money. Thank you for that, Marty.
You're very, very welcome. It's my absolute pleasure. But that just worries me, though. Do your own research, guys. Don't just follow me. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing with you my experience, my knowledge, my team's knowledge. And, we're all doing it together. Please, I really appreciate the super chat. And it's very kind, but make sure that you are doing your own research, not just follow me. I know lots of people do, and you shouldn't do that, okay? But Dewald Voslo, that's very, very kind of you. All right. Okay, I think everyone has, let me just check now the friend requests. Have we got any more before I go to confirm? No, we're all good with the friend request, so we can exit that. Brilliant. And we've done the newsletter. Thank you for all of those that just followed me. We've got Dylan. Now, I will, all of you that comment, I will comment back to you. Pua Bastani, Francesco, Dylan Elias. We've also got, who else have we got? Dylan, thank you. I will reply to you. Jay just followed me as well. And I will comment back to everyone as soon as this show finishes. I will comment back to you. If you've left me a comment, I will do that, all right? And hopefully help you grow online as well. Now then, we've got to get off because the world premieres are about to start. Here's the shorts playlist if you want to get us to 1 million views by the birthday. 6 days to go. And let me just double check and see how we're doing with that just before we do Day Trader of the Day. Okay, let's have a look. How many people came through the stream? 690 through the stream. Excellent stuff. We've got, we're up to 8,394. It's not there. That needs to be 10,000 over 48 hours to get us to the 1 million. There are 3 or 4 people now playing the playlist. So we are a bit short. There's 100 people watching. We could do so much better. 8,638. When we get to 10,000 subscribers, we're doing a fundraiser for our friends in Africa because all the money goes directly to them. YouTube take nothing at all, so that's very exciting. All right, let's do Day Trader of the Day. This is our members only part of the show. Now, coming up after all of this are the premieres. Look out for those if you want to know. On Discord, my name is Ties. Francesca, I know that. But you need to be a member before I can accept your friend request. I was trying to get to connection with you. However, I couldn't reach you. I kept trying to find you on the shows. You need to be a YouTube member for me to accept, to upgrade you on Discord and see all the channels. You have to be a member. There you go. So there's your membership if you want to be a YouTube member. Then I can accept your friendship and I can upgrade your account. It's a membership thing. Okay. So Day Trader of the Day right now. Here we go. Let me change this. We're going to go to the members only. Here we go for our Day Trader of the Day in 5, 4, 3. This guy Lucas never gives up on something he's good at. Garrett Cleven, I'll never give up. No, I'm very proud and love this family more than anything else. It's the greatest job in the world. My aim is to be the most trusted, honest channel online. And I hoped I've put down a challenge, challenging Mr. Beast, who's one of the biggest YouTubers in the world. I said I want to be the best, most honest, most live YouTube channel in the world. We got the investment and we got the music, and I think we've got the best live streaming studio online, and most certainly have the most engaged members in the world. 95% of my live viewers are members. I'm very, very proud of that, and I think we're going to be probably the biggest channel in the world by being the most honest. I believe that. Anyway, members only right now. It's a day trader of the day competition in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Members only now, and of course, here is we've been asked about it all day. It's time for my crystal ball. Where do I see Virgin Galactic going? I was asked. Let me change the Virgin Galactic colours. Here we go. Virgin Galactic colours. Where do I see Virgin Galactic going? Let me look into my crystal ball. I don't know why I changed the sound. Don't know why. It's always up here. Anyway, this is my thought on Virgin Galactic. I see it going to $100 a share, not because it's worth that, because it will trade there. I think it's a huge opportunity for investors. I'm not selling my positions right now. I will review it day by day. But if I see a great opportunity in the market, I will let you know before I do it. But that's where I think it's going. I believe Virgin Galactic is going to $100 a share. There you go. Right, let's do day trader of the day now. Let's see who's up, see who's down, and let's have a quick look. Are you ready? Okay. Let's do day trader of the day. Let me get rid of the green lights. We'll leave it on. We'll leave it on Virgin Galactic colours for now, and it's holding up in the after hours. My overall portfolio is up again today, consistently up every day for the last, well, not every day, but consistently up on the week, the month, the 3 months, the year to date, the year since December, consistently. Okay, so we are up today. 1.37. We are in a bull market. There's no question about that now. Crystal Lucas never makes mistakes. Don't say that. Don't say that. Anyway, let's do day trader of the day. Let's put a minute on the clock. Let's put a minute on the clock. Let's do it right now. Day trader of the day. Here we go. Okay. Up 1.37. When will it go to $100? I think once we get the first flights and the names come out in August or later, around about that time, yes. Up 11%, 19.57 main portfolio. Remember, this is your main portfolio, overall positions, not just one stock, not just one crypto. You have to have your overall portfolio. If you've only got one stock or even 2 or 3, it doesn't count. It has to be a balanced portfolio, because anybody could be up, 20, 30, 40, 100% if they've only owned one stock. Up 12.43, 15.95. Wow, Brandon. Very good indeed. 19.57. Absolutely phenomenal. Brandon Muller. You are a member. It's members only, of course. Henrik from Denmark up 11%. This is great. I think then the winner, without doubt, Stephen Lewandowski is up 8.74. Eric is up 7.82. And why am I only up a small amount? Because I've got a much more balanced, diverse portfolio than you guys. The majority of my portfolio is in the S&P. The S&P is down right now, and I do that to give me steady, constant growth without the ups and the downs quite as much as you guys have. All right, 23 holdings is good for me. Brandon, 25% only have space. DeWald Voslo. Let me bring in Brandon then. That is definitely a winner. So let me give him a thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up and a round of applause. Absolutely great. All right. Okay. So then, we're going to get off. Let me close the broadcast lounge. Does anybody else need updating? Ties, I'm trying to say as a member. Hi there. Hang on, I just need to clarify. We've got someone who's confused here. They're from Sweden. I need to explain something to our guest in Sweden who's confused a little bit, I think. So let me do this now. Hi, Ties from Sweden. For me to be able to upgrade your account, you need to be a YouTube member. I'm giving you the link now in the chat and in Discord. I only accept friend requests from members on Discord to protect my members. I hope this makes sense.
Hej Tides från Sverige. För att jag ska kunna uppgradera ditt konto måste du vara YouTube-medlem. Jag ger dig länken nu i chatten och i Discord accepterar jag bara vänförfrågningar från medlemmar på Discord för att skydda mina medlemmar. Jag hoppas detta är vettigt.
Okay, let me do that now. I'll give him that information and also the membership information as well, so he can perhaps understand. Maybe doesn't quite know what I'm saying. I just want to be absolutely sure. I can't accept friend requests from anyone that's not a member. Okay. So anyway, we gave the award to Brandon. He did very well today. Absolutely great. Really, really good. And we've taken care of that. So I think we're good. We've got the world premiere coming out in a minute. Day trader of the day, we've done that. I've got to reply to everybody on Twitter. I will do that right at the end of the show. So I've got to go now. So let's roll the credits. Did we get any members today? Let's have a quick look. Let me get rid of that screen a minute. There we go. And let's roll the credits. World premieres for Virgin Galactic coming out very shortly. Start of the show. Eric, thank you very much indeed for your tip. I much appreciate that. Very kind of you. Super chats from Dewald Voslu. Thank you. Subscribers Sung Lee and Pure Bastani. We got more than that. That's only the public channels. Some people don't share their subscriptions with people, so that's why it's only a couple. Anyway, thank you ever so much indeed for everyone who joined in today. Thank you to all of those of you that took part in the show. We will see you back in the morning for the opening bell. Of course, we'll set up the concert now. 86% of you said yes, you will go. 77 votes. Absolutely fantastic. I will set that up. I will reply to everybody on Twitter. Anyone who's has friend requested me on Facebook, you need to verify yourself in the chat, and I will do that for you. I think we are good. Brilliant. So coming out very shortly is the he's off. Yes, Keaton S. We're just finishing. We got the world premieres for Virgin Galactic coming out in a few minutes, where we see the stock going, the dangers, the warnings, the fear, and Virgin Galactic is going back up again. We are $6 a share. All right, guys, that's it from me. Just leaves me to say, I want to hear everybody do it. The catchphrase is coming up. You ready? As always, take care of your money. Take care of your crypto. Take care of yourselves. Shoo-doo-be-doo-be-doo. And each other. See you back for the live premieres with live Q&A in just a few minutes. Bye-bye for now. And I'm still here. Dewald Voslu just gave me an idea I've been thinking about for a while. Let's see who stayed with me. Martin, I think we should do an invite a friend day. Do you know what? That would be absolutely great. If I was thinking about this, if we did an invite a friend day, and basically what we'll do is you bring someone with you. They need to be on their account. And they don't need to be a member or anything, and we'll shout them out, and we'll give people shout outs for your friends that you bring on. So we will do that. So everyone needs to bring a friend on. I've been thinking about this for a while. It would be a lot of fun. So you message one of your neighbors, your friends, your mates. They log in, they come on in, and then Stephen Lewandowski says, "Hey, I've got my milkman. I've got the guy who delivers my bread. God, sound like I'm going back to the 1800s, don't I? All right, they come on in, and that would be fantastic. And then we'll give them a call out, make them feel welcome, and bring a friend day. That would be brilliant. Anyway, I shouldn't be here. I've got premieres coming out. Bye-bye for now.